Hey guys, you got a Ti-NspireApps and you got Chemistry Made Easy app, then you're good to go to balance chemical equations like these three we're going to do. I show you how to do those in 2.5 seconds, very easy. So here's an unbalanced equation. Let me show you how to enter it. Press menu 5 for stoichiometry and then option 9, balanced chemical equations. You see there's way more options there, but we pick this one. H2 and O2 react to H2O, and then down here you can see the balanced equation. 2H2 plus O2 is 2H2O. Perfect, makes water. Let's do two more. Methane and oxygen. So enter CH4, reacts with O2 is there, reacts to H2O and CO2. And look at the bottom, the steps are here, but look on the bottom, here's your final balance equation, and that matches the correct answer. One more, nitrogen and hydrogen, N2 plus H2 returns into NH3. Let's enter this. N2 H2, I just tap into the cell, reacts to NH3, clear this one out, and there's your answer. 1N2 plus 3H2 reacts to 2. Here you go. This and way more the Chemistry Made Easy app can do for you, available at Ti-NspireApps.com. Thanks for watching.